Hi, I'm here today with Mark from Rehau. Rehau recently launched a new range of panel boards and a range of roller shutter doors with the KSA to KSA members and IID members via our platform. All very, very exciting, stunning new products. And Mark's come to join us to just tell us briefly about what's new with Rehau and the new products. So Mark, tell us a little bit about the new boards.
Okay, so Rehau has traditionally always been known as an edge band and a roller shutter supplier for the marketplace. There were various other products that have come into the market and discontinued and moved out of the market again. The fact that we're part of Rehau as a worldwide company, as a worldwide organization, a very big trend that is happening in Europe is gloss and matte boards. MDF boards being used as panels for kitchens, and Rehau's now decided to launch it in South Africa. So we have a product now that offers you both gloss and matte in a very much a glass-like finish. However, you have a product that is, besides being scratch resistant, UV resistant, chemical resistant, you have a product that looks like glass but offers you 10 times more less fragility in the product on the basis that is acrylic as opposed to real glass. So the trend has been moving in that direction. Because we have synergies with the product, we have decided to launch that product in South Africa under the Rehau brand. Because it's part of Rehau, it's a Rehau product.
It's fantastic. I mean, and having seen some pictures, it's a really beautiful product, and with the glass-like look is very, very much on trend. But it's not just pretty product. I mean, from what I understand, it's really designed to add value to a kitchen as a surface, in its strength and durability, and it's got some pretty special features.
Sure. One of the very important factors that some people experience, or let's say one of the implications or downfalls that people experience in the market with laminated boards, is that you can sometimes get warping of the product. What we've done is we've made sure that our balancing sheet on our MDF boards, on our panels, are the same thickness as the acrylic on the front, the laminate on the front. And so what you end up is pressure pushing in opposite directions of equal nature. So therefore you have less opportunity for products to warp. You also, by virtue of the thickness of the material, you also have less of an orange peel effect that you experience, especially when you're talking about high gloss products on a board. You tend to sometimes get orange peel effects, and you don't have that in a Rehau board.
Fantastic. And as far as the edging goes, it's correct that Rehau produces its edging as well. So it's fantastic for matching, etc., correct?
It's correct. And obviously the very big important factor that comes out of that, and this actually in fact applies to all our edge band that we supply into the marketplace, everything is color coded. Everything is produced by Rehau, and you want the same color in 5 years' time, you will get exactly the same color. You want 10 rolls of product, you will end up with 10 rolls looking exactly the same. If you want 10 boards, you will end up with 10 boards. If you're using 50 boards to do your kitchen, you will end up with 50 panels that all look exactly the same, with edging that looks exactly the same, because it's all produced by Rehau in the same factory. So therefore you have consistency in color and quality.
That's great. And Mark, for the guys who want to get their hands on some samples and further information of the product brochures, etc., how can this be done?
Okay, so obviously there's a lot of information that is available on our website. We do have brochures. We do have sample boxes of the product. These are ready. They're ready for distribution, and in fact have already started being distributed in some of the regional areas already. Samples specifically with regards to kitchens where our members all have showrooms and want the product on display, that would be discussed with your account manager for your requirements, and we would do that based on a one-on-one discussion of your requirements and what it is you want to achieve.
And stock availabilities?
So the product is available in its board form already. Obviously the panels are cut to size. So therefore, you would require it in order to be placed with very specific sizes that you require. We would then produce those doors. You're looking at 10 working days for us to deliver it to your shop for you to now add to the rest of your kitchens for installation.
Super. And then the second thing you launched was a series of roller shutter doors and flip-up doors, and I have to say they were quite sexy little items. Definitely something new and exciting to add to your kitchen. Do you want to give us a little bit of a lowdown about them?
Sure. So South Africa has always had the Vetroline, or Rehau South Africa has always had the Vetroline and metallic line available in South Africa, which has either got the glass or the metallic look. Those products are still available. What we've done is add to the range with a crystalline range that matches our Visio boards and panels, and then a flip door that also matches our panels and doors in terms of color matching and finishes. The products are installed exactly the same way as our previous products are being installed, the Vetroline metallic line. So that's not new to the marketplace in terms of installation. It's a cassette system. The flip door, however, is something that is supplied as a complete box, and that's installed as any normal carcass would be installed in your kitchen.
Sounds nice and easy for our kitchen suppliers. When will stocks be available of those?
Okay, so those products we're expecting to arrive in the next 2 to 3 weeks. The order was placed quite a while ago. The fact that it's a new launch means that there's been a lot of requirement throughout the world. We will have those products available in 2 to 3 weeks' time in South Africa.
Okay, so we look forward to that. And then for the consumer out there, I mean, most of the kitchen industry know where to find Rehau, but how do the consumers get hold of you if they're wanting to see either of these product places?
Okay, so the consumer has access to the website. There's a configurator where you can go in and put in sizes. You can get some idea of the kind of costings that are involved. What we end up with at the end of the day is a pricing structure that allows our kitchen manufacturers to get a discount and to be able to put their markups on. We can't prevent consumers from going in and looking at the products. We can't prevent them from having a look at some of the pricing. But what we can do is create a platform for them to understand what kind of costs are involved. They can then in turn place the orders with their kitchen manufacturer, who in turn can place it with Rehau through the configurator or direct contact with our salespeople. The product is available. The samples are available, and we do have some products in our showroom in Johannesburg that consumers can come and have a look at. Ideally, the scenario is that we want consumers to be able to go to their chosen kitchen manufacturer to have a look at the product, to make their choices, and place their orders via a normal standard distribution channel.
And Mark, just to sort of before we close, can you just confirm to everybody what the Rehau website address is for ease of reference?
www.rehau.co.za.
It's fantastic. We're really looking forward to seeing those products out and about. They're very exciting. So please go and visit the website and contact the Rehau staff if you want any more information. Mark, best of luck with the new range, and I'm sure it's going to go well. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you very much. Thank you for the opportunity. We're excited. We hope the market's excited, and we're here to serve. So please contact us for any information you require, any contact you want, any samples, any brochures, any information that you may require. Please feel free to do so, and please stay safe out there.
Fantastic. Thanks, Mark. Take care.
Thank you.